The story of HTEC is the story of its people and their impact. With each new team member, the impact grows stronger and wider. We have ventured onto new territories and established new bases. The tale of this impact echoes across the world, gaining greater and greater support in its path. What defines us is not just what we do, but what we choose not to do. We are driven by a desire to do good, engineering a better future for everyone. Our team has gone above and beyond to show what giving back to the community is all about. We keep counting because HTEC cares. We share knowledge wherever we are. As we keep growing and unlocking new chapters, one thing remains the same: our dedication to the values that unite us across geographies and teams.
Acționăm prin empatie și suport.
Gradimo povjerenje kroz transparentnost.
Биди носител на својата работа.
Hiteles vezetés.
The future of this story is yet to be written. Want to know the best part about it? Look around you. We're writing it together.